Today's video is all about why you need garlic as a man. So, garlic is a natural ingredient which you can add in your diet for you to get so many health benefits. If you are a man, you always like to look young. You want to be the best man you want to be. Consider taking garlic to get or achieve all the benefits that I am going to share in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So, what are the reasons why you need to consume garlic as a man? Not only to add it in your diet, you can also make a garlic juice and drink the juice on its own. You can also add honey to improve your immune system and to help you to get the amazing health benefits that I am going to disclose. So, number one is that when you take garlic, for those that have high cholesterol, yes, taking garlic will help you to reduce cholesterol. And you know that cholesterol leads to fats. Yes, when you have too much cholesterol in your body system, it can lead to fatness. And when you are getting fat or you get fat in your body system, that is when you develop obesity, which can cause you erectile dysfunction. So, taking garlic will help you get rid of too much cholesterol in your body system. Now, number two benefit you are going to derive as a man whenever you consume garlic is that if you consume garlic, it will help you to fight any diseases in your body system. Yes, if you consume garlic, any infection or diseases in your body system will be terminated as soon as possible. As far as taking garlic on daily basis or adding it in your diet is constant, it will help you to fight any disease or infection in your body system. So, better take garlic or add garlic in your diet in order to fight or terminate infection or germs in your body system. Number three benefit you are going to derive from taking garlic is that anytime you take garlic, bear in mind that you are protecting your cell from damage and also protecting it from aging. Yes, whenever you take garlic, your cell and your immune system are highly protected because garlic contains some vitamins, antioxidants that will help to protect your cell. And you know that when your cell is in order, that is when you'll be able to produce a healthy sperm or a thick sperm. Or anytime you take a natural recipe, you will get accurate results because your cell is in order. There is no infection and it is highly protected. So consider taking garlic to protect your cell and to protect it from aging. Now, number four benefits you are going to derive from taking garlic is that garlic will help you to increase estrogen in your body system. And this estrogen is the cause of bone growth in your body system. If you want to have more weight, it is through bone. And for you to have a bone to add to your weight or for you to increase your bone, consider taking garlic. So that is it. Number five is that for those that have high blood pressure, garlic is the ultimate solution to that. When you take garlic, it will help you to reduce any high blood pressure in your body system, of which high blood pressure can lead to lack of performance in terms of sexual performance or in terms of your sex life. If you have a good blood flow and blood circulation, you will always perform well. But if you have high blood pressure, you can never perform well as a man. So take garlic to live a healthy life. Now, number 6 benefits you are going to derive from taking garlic as a man is that it contains vitamin C, vitamin B, and magnesium. All these vitamins will help to boost up your immune system. And once you as a man, you have a good immune system, that is always the opportunity to perform well as a man. And whenever your immune system is in order, you will always be the best man you want to be. You will have both good stamina, good sex drive or libido, and a healthy semen. So all these are the benefits of taking garlic. So consider taking garlic, especially for men that want to perform well. And bear in mind that taking garlic can lead to good blood flow and blood circulation. And you know that when you have a good blood flow and blood circulation as a man, that is when you have the opportunity to maintain erection. Because once there is a good blood flow and blood circulation, it will flow down to your joystick and make it strong, and also make you to always maintain erection. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share for you as a man, to encourage you to consume garlic. Take garlic consistently to be the best man you want to be. You can also add it in your diet. You can also make a recipe, add honey to it and drink it. It will give you all these health benefits. So thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of this channel. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you never subscribe, subscribe once again to be a member. Bye for now.